Let's dive into the differences between IHttpActionResult, IActionResult, and ActionResult in C#, focusing on their roles in handling HTTP responses within ASP.NET applications. 1. ActionResult is the oldest of the three, originating in the early days of ASP.NET MVC. It's a base class for various result types like viewResult, JSONResult, redirectResult, etc., representing different ways to respond to a client request. 2. IHttpActionResult emerged later, specifically designed for ASP.NET Web API. It represents an action result that's aware of the HTTP context, allowing for finer control over HTTP-specific aspects of the response, such as setting status codes, headers, and content negotiation. 3. IActionResult is the most modern and versatile of the three. Introduced with ASP.NET Core, it's an interface that serves as the unified way to return results from both MVC and Web API controllers. Essentially, IActionResult combines the strengths of both its predecessors. It's more abstract, focusing on the action of producing a result rather than the specific HTTP details. This makes it more flexible and suitable for various scenarios, including those beyond traditional HTTP requests. 4. The key differences lie in their scope and context awareness. ActionResult is tightly coupled with MVC and lacks explicit HTTP awareness. IHttpActionResult is tailored to Web API, providing full control over the HTTP response. IActionResult is the unifying interface, offering flexibility and compatibility across different ASP.NET frameworks, while still supporting the nuances of HTTP responses. 5. In practical terms, if you're working with ASP.NET Core, you should primarily use IActionResult. It simplifies the codebase and offers better compatibility. While you might encounter ActionResult in older ASP.NET MVC projects, it's less frequently used in modern development. IHttpActionResult remains relevant mainly in older Web API projects. 6. To illustrate, imagine you're building a controller action. In ASP.NET Core, you'd return an IActionResult object, perhaps creating an instance of ActionResult to return a 200 OK status code or a JSONResult to return data in JSON format. This allows the runtime to handle the conversion of your result into the appropriate HTTP response seamlessly. 7. Using IActionResult provides a more consistent and modern approach to building web applications, leading to cleaner, more maintainable code. By understanding these differences, you can select the appropriate approach for your specific project and effectively handle HTTP responses in your ASP.NET applications.